High tension right now in lower Manhattan, where a building in Chinatown has been evacuated after a brick facade partially separated. Building inspectors of the city of New York, their big worry is the danger of the structure's face collapsing. Cops now guarding the roped off area. So how exactly did this happen? Eyewitness News reporter Josh Einiger on the scene for us.
It was moving night of sorts at 111 Mott Street as workers built scaffolding and building inspectors condemned people's homes.
It's just a really messed up situation at the moment. So we're just getting evacuated and we're just waiting to hear back.
Oh my God. Okay.
Rachel Bryant woke up this morning and looked out the window. She couldn't believe her eyes.
You can literally see that my apartment building is falling off the wall.
The whole front of the face of the building is all attached together, and then it's all going to collapse with the fire escapes and everything off of the side of the building.
She called the fire department, which called the buildings department, which brought in the Red Cross. And before they knew it, occupants of more than a dozen apartments had learned they had to pack and go.
I got bills, contacts, food, because I was like, the food's gonna go bad. Clothes for like a week, computer, work stuff. Pretty much my life for a week in bags.
From the outside, it sure looks like work was already underway on some of the facade, but there'd been no scaffolding built and no permits pulled, according to city records. And by nightfall, the scaffolding had arrived, mandated by the city. An investigation now underway into the troubled building's past.
No question, this is a major inconvenience for people who live in that building, but city inspectors say they're glad they got here when they did. If that facade had crumbled onto the sidewalk, it could have been a whole different story.